This is Gematriona Sessions number 8. Today is November 8th. It's also the 7th of Cheshvan. This year they're very close. It's because of the leap year. And it's also the art site of Rabbi Meir Shapiro, the one who started the Daf Yomi. May his memory be a blessing and a merit for all of us. This is Gematriona Sessions, because I believe that it's all in here. The Torah, specifically the 5 books of Moses. Gematriona is not simply gematria. Gematriona is my way of mining information through Torah codes. And the project this year, within the universe of Gematriona, is to gematriatize the Torah, which means translating each word into a number based upon the universal gematria cipher of Aleph equals 1, Beis equals 2, up till 10, Yud is 10, and going by tens up until Kuf, which is 100, and then going by hundreds up until Taf. That's the most well-known cipher of gematria and most widely used, although there are other ciphers, quite a few other ciphers as well. But they wouldn't be universally understood, although many people use gematria in gematria katan, mispar katan, which is only single digits. That's fairly common as well, but it's not as specific, because if you're going to have single digits or a small number, even if it's double digits, but you're doing small number, you're just, too many words can match that number, so it's not specific enough. For example, I mean, in certain cases, it's very indicative, because, for example, there's a famous mispar katan idea that, like Shabbos is the 7th day, and all the foods of Shabbos equal 7. Like, for example, dog is fish. We eat fish on Shabbos. So Dalet and Gimel is 7. But basar, meat, Beis, Shin, Resh. That's Shin is 3, Resh is 2, and Beis is 2, so that's 7. Basar, Chala, Ches, Lamed, Hey, so it's 8, 3, and 5, which is 8 and 3 is 11, and 5 is 16, 6 and 1 is 7. Chala, Yayin, same thing. Nun is 5, 1, 1 is 7. Yayin, Chala, Basar, Dagim, what else? Ner, the candle, 5 and 2 is 7. So that's mispar katan. That's not the regular. That's just single digits. But I digressed a little bit. But basically, I was just describing the cipher that I don't use. I use the one that's the most well known, which is the regular gematria cipher. And I believe that all the answers are in here, like I said. And with that, today is Friday, and what I'm doing is the weekly parsha, but the aliyah of that day. So it's Shishi, and technically Shvi'i should be tomorrow, but since you can't write, or it's forbidden to write on the Sabbath, so Shvi'i would also be on Friday or on Saturday night, let's say. So now, Parshas Lech Lecha, the 6th reading is, where is it? Sixth reading, excuse me. Shishi. Okay. again, what's really great about Gematriona is that you really can connect with the time and the numbers, and then they repeat themselves, so it goes fast. Vayomer is 257. How did I know that? Because Vayomer happens a lot in the Torah. Elav, 47. Donald Trump is the 47th president. Elav, to him, is the presidency. By the will of Hashem. 47. Elav, Donald Trump. Okay? Ani. Ani is today's... Did you know that Ani is one of the 72 names? It's the 37th name, which is today's thing. Ani. Ani is 61. Hashem. Yud, He, Vav, He, it equals 26. And that's very well known. Asher is 501. Hotzeticha, took you out of. What's that going to be? That's not so well known. You got to figure it out right now. 430. 430 plus 90. 430 plus 90 is 520. 520 plus 11 is 531, 532. Hotzeticha is 532. 430. 430 and 90 is 520. 520 and 12 is 532. Me'ur. Is it Meir Shapiro's Yahrzeit today? So Me'ur Kazdim. Me'ur Shapiro. See what I mean? Me'ur. Or is 207. And 40 is 247. Okay? Kazdin. 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 340. 360. 374. Kazdim is 374. Is Barry Vernon. Alter HaMashiach. 374. 340, 60, 74. Nice. 830. Yisachar. Latet. 830. 830. Lecha. To you. 50. Are you understanding Yiddish? Very good. Et is 401. Haaretz, 296. 296. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Remember that one? 407. Hazot is going to be 407. But 407 and 6 is 413. Hazot is 413. Which is Gematria of Elisheva. Did you know that? 413 Elisheva? It's true. Check it out. Hazot. Elisheva Hazot. Lerishta is 700 plus 200 is 900. 935. 935. Okay. So, this pasuk, and we're reaching 10 minutes, so we'll keep it at that. $257, 47, 61, 26, 501, 532, 247, 374, 830, 50, 401, 296, 413, 935 is like saying, Vayomer elav ani Adonai asher hotziticha me'ur kazdim latet lecha et haaretz hazot lerishta. Once you read them in numbers and you see it all numeric, it's a whole different picture. Because this verse can be actually a whole different verse.